Okay, the newest project, because I didn't have enough to do already. In my garage here, I have a 35mm projector, which came from where I used to work. I was a 35mm projectionist. Maybe I still am, but there's no job, really, anymore. It's all replaced now. But I got to bring this home. So it came home in 3 pieces, so I had the projector head, the lamp house, the pedestal. And this system used to be automated. They ripped the control panel off because they repurposed it for the digital cinema stuff. But still have the DTS reader. I might have a DTS playback machine somewhere, access to one. But the sound head's intact, LED. Turret, no lenses. I didn't get the lenses. I was told no lenses. But we'll figure that out. Not a big deal. So this is a Victoria 5 Cinemecanica projector. This lamp house had a 2000 watt bulb in it. They also took the bulb. So there's the reflector, the cooling. So there's a motor here to blow air over the bulb. There's a blower up top here. We'll have to wire that back in. And the wiring got just hacked out because it had to be disassembled. And we'll take a look around at the back. So we do have problems. This is a 3-phase motor. I don't have the rectifier here yet, but it was also 3-phase for the 2000 watt. I'm going to try to change it to a single-phase system, probably 1000 watts. Here's the back side. I have the cover off. So there's the intermittent and shutter gearbox back there. Intermittent. So these things used to be mounted. Originally, this thing had a reel arm on it for 6,000 foot reel. So you'd have half a movie on one projector, half on the other. And we'll take a look down here. And this is the guts. So it's a dog's lunch in here right now because they removed the automation. Something I'm going to use. 3-pole contactor I'll likely use for something. This is a variable frequency drive, again, meant for 3-phase, no good here. So I'll probably just see if I can get a single-phase one for running a 3-phase motor. They exist. We'll see what I can do. A little transformer to go from 120 to 220 volts. And over here is our analog preamp. So that's for the analog sound. And it was all in working order. I worked there. It all worked when I left. So hopefully this will be a pretty straightforward job, except for sorting this all out. So I'm not going to bother trying to automate it again. I'm just going to make it all manual control, and it's probably the easiest way to go, and I can do whatever I want to it later anyway. So alright, there is a tour of the 35mm projector, which will one day maybe run. You got one. You got a wire? Okay, how about we don't rip stuff out? And yeah, there you have it. So this will probably come off too, but alright, let's see what happens. Cheers.